Let us move under authentications, please. There's documentation here that lists the type of authentication that the no-name platform is able to identify out of the box. Okay, so there's a link. You can go there and you can read it yourselves. From our vantage point, and what I want to explain is that this page is going to list the different authentication that the no-name platform has discovered. Not only that, it's going to tell you the location, it's going to tell you the name, header, authorization, and it's going to also identify how many of these APIs are making use of this type of an authentication. Okay. Okay. Now, you can see these exact same type of details. If I go back to the inventory, I go back to the APIs, I will be able to see the auth, right? Header authorization with basic auth, and so on, header authorization with the JSON Web Token. So you have access to all these type of information, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, what I would like to mention is that all these APIs, they follow some kind of a standard way of identifying authentication. Okay. What if your developers choose to create something that is non-standard? Well, if the developers are using something that is not standard, then what you will see is not detected. Not detected. That's what you will see. Okay. Right here. So if your developers are using something that is non-standard, you can accommodate for that use of an authentication by going back to the settings and going to the authentication, because you're given the ability to provide additional authentication fields or additional methods of authenticating, of extracting the authentication out of your API requests. And I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to select the field location. Is it a header? Is it a query? Is it a cookie? Is it a body? Where is it at? Okay. And then you can give it a location. In our case, it's going to be inside a header. And I'm going to give it a name, X custom auth. Okay. So that's my custom header that contains authentication. And you can choose and you can provide additional details. You can add a comment if you want to, and I'm going to click add. And as we discover new APIs, we're going to be updating this number using this authentication. We're going to be updating this number with the number of APIs that make use of this custom authentication mechanism. Okay, that's your authentications. Unlike everything else, short and sweet. So our section is done, guys.